Good morning, everyone. Today, Arishud Goyal is going to present a PPT on Sant Kirpal Singh Ji Maharaj. So let us begin. Sant Kirpal Singh Ji Maharaj was a spiritual master in the tradition of Suraj Shabd Yog. Sant Kirpal Singh Ji was born in Syed Kasran, Punjab on 6th Feb 1894 and died on 21st August 1974. He lived in Lahore during the period of his discipleship and attained a high position in the bureaucracy as a deputy controller of military accounts. He was the president of the World Fellowship of Religions, an organization recognized by UNESCO which had representatives from all the main religions of the world. Sant Kirpal Singh Ji taught many things. The following are the teachings of Sant Kirpal Singh Ji Maharaj. First, the initiates should, as a matter of principle, be very cautious in their food articles, especially when they have to dine at friends. Second, a man is known by the company he keeps. Third, the God and the Master are same, but there are very few who can understand this rare phenomenon. And last one, there is one God and only one way to Him, and for this we employ a complete and definite science, oldest of the oldest, most ancient and natural, which is the practical side of all religions of the world. Sant Kirpal Singh Ji has written several books. Some of them are The Crown of Life, The Teachings of Kirpal, God Man, The Mystery of Death, The Wheel of Life, Naam or Word, The Light of Kirpal, and The Night is a Jungle. Sant Kirpal Singh Ji was a great saint and has delivered many beautiful quotes. Some of them are, "Where there is love, there is constant remembrance. If you love me, keep my commandments. Truth is above all, higher still is true living. Love works as a great healing balm in all affairs of the world." Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Gauri Dhusa this side from class 8th A. Today I'm here to give an account of Sant Kirpal Singh Ji's life. Sant Kirpal Singh Ji Maharaj was born on 6 February 1894 and died on 21st August 1974. About Maharaj Ji's life. From youth, Kirpal Singh Ji Maharaj had visionary experience and foreknowledge of events. He sought guidance from various Sufis, yogis, and mystics, but never accepted any of them as a master, and continued his spiritual practice and prayers for the guidance of a living teacher. In 1917, he began to see a spiritual form. This is a talk given by Sant Kirpal Singh Ji at Santa Clara University, San Jose, California on November 16, 1972. I have written books without any copyright, no rights reserved, because it is a gift of God, given by God. As much as sunlight, other gifts of God are also free. Now, some of these books are written by Sant Kirpal Singh Ji Maharaj: The Crown of Life, God Man, A Great Saint, His Grace Lives On, The Jap Ji, The Light of Kirpal, Morning Talks, Naam, The Night is a Jungle, Prayer. Now here's a quotation by Sant Kirpal Singh Ji Maharaj. Selfless service is a great virtue and accordingly means some extra labor and sacrifice. It is a manifestation of love and goodness. Mind and body become sanctified through selfless service, provided it is undertaken without ego or vanity. Love knows service and sacrifice. Now this is a thought of Sant Kirpal Singh Ji Maharaj. God is the guru of the soul. Between God and spirit, there is no other obstacle but that of a veil of the mind. If this veil were to stop fluttering in the breeze of desires, as it does at present, the spirit can take indirectly the cosmic energy from its very source. Now, this is another poem by Sant Kirpal Singh Ji Maharaj. उल्फत में किसी बात की परवाह ना करेंगे जहां अपनी फिदा सूरत परवाह ना करेंगे जिससे भी बयां इश्क का अफसाना करेंगे, अपनी ही तरह उसको भी दीवाना करेंगे।
Kirpal Week of Loving Kindness is celebrated in the memory of Sant Kirpal Singh Ji Maharaj. Sant Kirpal Singh was born on 6 February 1894. He was a spiritual master in the tradition of Surat Shabd Yoga. Kirpal Singh was born in Syed Kasran, Punjab, which now belongs to Pakistan. In 1917, he began to see a spiritual form that he believed was Guru Nanak, who was the founder of Sikh religion. In 1924, he met Hazur Sawant Singh Ji, the famous saint of Byas. Hazur initiated him into Suraj Shabd Yoga, and then from Kirpal Singh Ji dedicated his life to the mission of his spiritual master and to his practices. Kirpal Singh wrote an extensive collection of books on spirituality, including The Spiritual Elixir, Naam or Word, Man Know Thyself, Morning Talks, and many more. To fill the human heart with compassion, mercy, and universal love, which should radiate to all countries, nations, and peoples of the world. So, there are quotes written by Sant Kirpal Singh Ji which inspired the people around the world. He shared his knowledge and valuable experiences with all his disciples. It is our intention to spread enthusiasm for the ideal of Sant Kirpal Singh. Be good, do good, be one. The whole humanity is one family and each of us is a member of it.
Morning everyone present over here. Today we the students of class 8th are here to present a short role play on the topic selfless service. The characters will introduce themselves. I am narrator Anitya, Anjali and Aryan Singh's grandmother and mother.
I'm Aryan. I'm grandpa, principal, and news reporter.
So let's start. Anjali, Nitya and Aryan had formed a service club. Its objective was to serve the orphan and the needy people.
They send an email to Shanta Foundation detailing the donation amount they have to pay. And Nitya, please write an article detailing that our service can provide the services.
Okay,
Okay, it's already 7 p.m. I have to go back to my home. So bye bye.
bye. On the next day at Aryan Singh's home, his mother said, Aryan Singh, I'm really unwell, so can you please cook me some oats?
Mom, I am so tired today. So please ask grandma to cook. I am going to sleep now.
On the next day, grandma said, Aryan, your mother is really unwell, so can you serve her the medicines?
Grandma, I have to rush today. Today's meeting is extremely important. Please let me go. On the other hand, you are working to serve people, and on the one hand, you aren't serving your own mother. Yeah, serving your parents is the greatest region. Service begins at home and then with everyone else. But today's meeting is extremely important and it cannot be cancelled. Please let me go. I have to rush.
At Nitya's house, Shanti Foundation has liked our work and they are saying that we will reserve a service award.
That's great news.
Yeah. The next day in school, the principal said,
Service Club has made the school proud and earned blessings from poors. On behalf of school, I congratulate that with this service award tomorrow a newspaper reporter is visiting our school. They will publish an article on the service club.
the following day, Aryan Singh was very excited to go to school. Just as he was leaving for the school, the telephone rang. Ding dong.
Hello, Anjali.
Yes, Aryan Singh, I can't come to school. I'm really sorry for today.
How can you miss such an opportunity? Today the newspaper reporter is coming to publish the article on our school.
I'm sorry, I can't really come. Mother is unwell, and how can I miss the opportunity to serve her? I'm really sorry, I can't come.
Okay, I will tell the newspaper reporter.
Okay, bye. The school, the reporter said,
Where is your third friend? Her mother is unwell, so she can't come to school today. Great, looking after her mother, an opportunity to show that selfless service begins at home. Anjali, daughters like you who help both their family and the society are idols. So, with an expectation of appreciation from others, but Anjali has truly given selfless service to her mother. I am feeling guilty on myself now.
the end. So the moral of the story is that service begins at home. I hope you liked our role play. Thank you for being the patient listeners. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today we the students of class 8th are here to present a role play on the topic selfless service. One day there was a beggar sitting on the footpath. No one was helping him, but he had a hope that one day someone will help him and make his life beautiful. Let's have a look what happened with him.
Someone please help me, ma'am. Sir, someone please help me.
Look, these are some rupees 1000 to 2000. Use it wisely with your family.
Listen, you keep half of the money with you.
But
No, you keep it.
This happened daily. Whenever Dev used to give money, the beggar used to return half of the money back. One day, Dev did not have anything to give, so he thought, let him earn himself and do some hard work. For this, Dev got his job done at the place he used to work. So let's have a look what happened there.
sir, may we come in?
Yes, come in. What happened, Dave? Why are you here and who is he?
He is my friend. I want you to take him in the company.
Dave, you are a good employee. That's why I am trusting you and giving him a chance.
Okay, sir.
But I want to ask few questions from him.
Yes, you may continue.
Okay, Dharmik, do you have any job experience?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Do you know how a company works?
No, sir. I do not have any experience.
What what is this, Dave? I was trusting you and you have given me this type of employee.
Sir, you may put him in my batch. If he won't perform nicely, then you can fire me with him.
Okay, last chance to you. You may proceed.
After this interview, both of them went out of their office and then Dharmik said,
Thank you, Dev, for helping me. I will never forget your favor in my whole life.
then they bought him clothes and other things for the daily usage. They both worked hard together and they both were really successful in their lives. All of us saw that how Dave, being selfless, made someone else's career. So I hope that you all enjoyed our role play and must have learned that we should become selfless and help others.